Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we're working on a Maybach GLS600. Now, this box, it's way too big for Australian number plates, so we have redesigned it to be nice and small, so it's hidden. I'll show you how it works. Let's get into it. So the problem is this. In Australia, number plates aren't that big unless you're running Euro plates, but even still, it's way too bulky from the top. Too big, too big. So what we've done is we've taken this, we've redesigned it completely and come up with this solution. This is a no drill solution utilizing one of the factory holes, and I'll show you how to get it on there. First step, just take everything off the car with the screws that you see, and it will just pull out. So this is a miniature plinth. This is designed to mold to the car exactly in the right shape, and it goes right there, no drilling required. So you can utilize one of the factory holes, but that's probably not going to be strong enough. So there's heat to take behind it. We give you alcohol wipes and primer so you can stick it on. But of course, it's quite hard to get it on straight. So we've come up with an alignment tool, which goes into the factory holes. You prime it, prep it, which I'll come back to a bit later. And then once you've peeled off all the tape, have the prime on, and you're confident, just line it up, push it in, it will stick, add a screw, and you're done. So first thing you're going to do is do a pre-clean. Now that I've done a pre-clean, I'm going to clean it again with the alcohol wipes provided. The next step is to apply the primer. Now, the primer is the secret behind it all. It's going to help the two materials bond together, so it's going to be nice and strong, probably stronger than the screws, but you don't want to over apply it. So what I would like to do is just use the alignment tool to help you and work out where this part actually sits. I will mask off the section, so that way I don't put too much primer where it doesn't need to, but if you do, it does just come off with the alcohol wipes that we give you. What I'm going to do is just install this with the one screw first, and we'll align it with the tool and get it kind of straight. Then I'll start masking it off. To get this onto the car, first, just grab one of the bungs, line up the hole and put the screw in. It will center. Use the alignment jig just to make sure it's straight, and then mask it off. Now we're ready for the primer. Now to apply this is quite easy. Inside the cardboard sleeve, there's a plastic cylinder, and inside that, there's a glass vial. So all you gotta do is squeeze it. It will crack, and all the primer will leak out the cotton tip, and you can apply it to the car. While we're waiting for the primer to dry, it will haze over. Let's peel off all the backing tape. This does take a bit of patience. All you gotta do is peel it back a little bit, and then once we're ready, we will get the alignment tool again to help us find center. We're ready to apply now, so let's just remove the masking tape and get the alignment tool back onto the car. Now we're ready to stick the part on. Primer's on, it's clean, this is ready to go. Just rest the part on this bottom ledge. It will level out, and of course the holes will line up at the back. Once you're confident, ready to go, just push it hard up against the car. I feel that's pretty good. Just go put the screw in the middle. We're ready for the next step. I almost forgot to deal with the 4 outer holes. Now, we do provide some plugs to plug up the extra holes. In most cases, it will be hidden by the plate. If not, you can go away and paint them to match the chrome on the bumper. Now that you have the plinth on the car, it's time to grab a number plate bracket. Now, because this is a 2-part mounting solution, first you need a plinth that suits the car. Now you need a bracket that suits your number plate style. So for example, if you're going to fit Heritage, you grab a Heritage bracket the right size that bolts onto the plinth, and that way your number plate can attach to it. So for this car, we'll be installing signature plates in the slimline format in Victoria. I've got the correct bracket. All I got to do is line up one of the slots with any of the holes onto the plinth, and then this can clip on. So the plinth has some pre-fitted screws. Take those out, that goes through the bracket. We'll find a spot that's nice and attach it on. And that's how you get rid of the big, ugly, oversized mounting blocks and get a nice, clean, floating look using a number plate mounting system. Now, just remember you need two parts: a plinth to suit your make and model, and then also a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style to get this nice, clean look. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.